Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the XAUUSD M1 Sniper multi-expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is a buy only gold sniper designed for ultra short-term trades on the 1 minute time frame, and the seller calls it a multi-position version with stricter entries than the base model, promising high win rates by sniping oversold levels in gold. Sounds like it could be aggressive for XAUUSD traders, so let's see what the developer page actually claims and also compare with my backtest, because I had the opportunity to run my backtest on this expert advisor. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture of this expert advisor. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. It's free. You can get it using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, talking about the XAUUSD M1 Sniper Multi EA, according to the MT5 page, which is this page, this EA is built specifically for XAUUSD on the 1 minute time frame, and it's for short-term trading. And this is because most gold robots either suffer from high drawdown, low profits, or just don't perform well in current market conditions. It only takes buy trades when the market shows oversold signals, entering at lower levels to try and keep the drawdown minimal. According to the developer, this is why he built the XAUUSD M1 Sniper, and it goes for just $88, and it was published very recently, 30th of April 2026. So it has just one version and has about 10 activations. It doesn't have any review yet, has just 2 comments. And on this, once a trade is open and once the expert advisor is in a trade, it uses a trailing stop that activates after hitting a profit target, letting winners run. To push the win rate higher, there is no stop loss enabled by default. They even warn that this is a high risk. And a sharp drop in gold could lead to big losses. They mention alternatives. If you prefer SL protection, they have some other expert advisors which they have built, but it's positioned as a sniper with stricter entries for better overall performance compared to other regular versions. The backtest also look impressive with very high profit factors, win rates over 90%, and relatively controlled drawdowns. This is the numbers we have. From an initial deposit of just $500, we are looking at over $2,500 in total net profit. And this backtest is from 2024 to 2026, about 2 years. So looking at it, they just have a win rate of 93%, profit factor of 24.86, which is very, very high. And for the features and settings marketed by the developer, the settings are kept simple on purpose, and recommended settings that you can choose fixed lots or lots scaled per $1,000 in the account. There are options for stop loss in points or as percentage of free margin. Developer recommends hedging accounts and also recommends tight spreads. Brokers with tight spreads like IC markets, VT markets, or Vantage. Minimum capital for trading with this expert advisor is $500 for 0.01 lots. They say just attach it to XAUUSD on the 1 minute time frame and run your own backtest on your broker's data, and you're good to go. Basically, it's just like plug and play. So just put it on your charts and let it run. But so far as it's on gold and on the 1 minute time frame, and also you should have this said minimum deposit in your account. Now onto my backtest on XAUUSD on the 1 minute time frame. I backtested this from 2025 June to 2026 June on the every tick based on real ticks modeling, and I also run it on a $10,000 deposit. The equity curve shows a nice steady upward climb with only tiny dips here and there. It's in up around 1,754 profit, and the profit factor is 87, nearly 530 trades with crazy 99.62 win rate. So this is on the higher side. This is very high and impressive. Basically only two small losers, and the max drawdown stayed ridiculously low, looking at balance max drawdown of 0.16% and equity drawdown max of 4.46%, which I think we can see in these dips, the slight dips here and also here. But at the end of the day, moderate profit and also impressive profit factor and win rate. Yeah, and this lines up pretty closely with the developers' claims of high win rates with strong profit factors and low drawdowns. Yes, from the inputs, the key ones that actually matter are the lot sizing, the fixed or balance based stats, very conservative, especially on prop accounts, and whether you enable that stop loss or not. All of these are here and can be edited if you want, depending on your preferences. The fixed lot is 0.01, so I just use the defaults for my backtest. So if you are experienced with setting up your expert advisors, you can also play around with this, but I advise you use the defaults from the developer as recommended. Honestly, gold on the 1 minute is super volatile. The no default stop loss boosts those beautiful stats but leaves you exposed to one bad move. Even with the trailing, spreads and slippage on gold will destroy the edge unless you are on a true raw or ECN broker. Being buy only means it only catches upside and can sit out or struggle in strong down moves. Yeah, and call fitting is real on these sniper style expert advisors, especially when they look this perfect on recent data. And also put into consideration that gold has been on a recent uptrend over the past year. So for an expert advisor that is focused on buy only, we can tell why the results and the data are this good. So my verdict for this is that it delivered strong backtest performance, but the hidden risks around no stop loss and gold volatility make it tricky in live trading. I would say it's for experienced traders, experienced gold scalpers who can handle the high win rate but high risk setup, who use proper brokers and who can monitor it properly. And I would say beginners should avoid it. Anyone who is risk averse or traders wanting full protection and true set and forget should probably avoid this expert advisor. If this review helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment with the next EA you want tested, and check the free robot link in the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.